Welcome dear creatives, welcome to this tutorial. I'll be showing you how to make the fascinator that is showing on your screen right now. Okay, now you need to watch to the end because I'm going to show you something else I did to this fascinator that you're looking at, and it came out more beautiful. So I would like to get your opinion if you would prefer it that way or if you would love to do yours that way, but you need to watch till the end to be able to see what I did. But basically what we're going to make now is what's showing on your screen, but I'll do a little addition and then you tell me what you think about it. So I need you to watch till the end. Now you need this crinoline. It's 1 yard. It's the small size crinoline that has a width of 3 inches and a length of 36 inches, which is 1 yard. Then you need your Alice band, the small size Alice band. You need this particular type of goose feather. You need your needle and your thread. You need your scissors. Okay, let's get started. Now watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to fold this my crinoline into 2 equal halves. Okay, can you see? Next I'll fold it into 2 equal halves again. So we're folding the crinoline into 2 equal halves and another 2 equal halves. Okay, can you see? Now the top part of this crinoline, I'll shift it back a bit so that we have just few inches distance between the first part and the second part of the crinoline. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Okay, now you need to also watch till the end because of this reason I'm going to give you. You see, I will explain to you what you will do to this part. I will explain to you what you do to this part. Remember, crinoline frills, right? So keep watching. Now this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to fold this like this, okay, as if I'm trying to form a bow, a certain kind of bow. Can you see? Then I'm going to place it. This is 1 minute fascinator. You don't need to take much time. You see, that's why I'm placing it straight. But if you're a beginner, you can tack the crinoline after folding before you attach it on your Alice band. But I'm going to tack and attach at the same time. Just watch carefully. So you see, this is going to save me some time, which explains why I was able to do this in 1 minute. In fact, I was standing while making this. So you can see how I'm doing my stitches, right? Now, I'm going to go ahead now and wrap this feather around it. See, we are almost done with this fascinator, so I don't know why you will not watch till the end. And I don't know why you will not try yours out. You see, now I'm going to tack this. I will still show you at the end what's the extra thing I did, but you should watch till the end and you tell me in the comment section what you think. Okay, or you tell me the particular one you prefer. I'm doing clean stitches, invisible stitches, so you need to watch if you want to know how I achieved that without my thread showing. Watch closely, even if you have to go back. Now you see, at the same time I'm going over this my Alice band, so I'm getting a grip of my crinoline on my Alice band while stitching. I hope you understand. So if you have watched this video up to this point, can you give me a thumbs up, give me a like, comment, share, you know, so that the algorithm will favor this video. It will get to more people and they'll learn how to make beautiful fascinators. Okay, so I'm just trying to make sure that my stitches are firm around my crinoline and my Alice band. So this is firm enough. Okay, now this is the next thing I want to do. Feel free to adjust this feather the way you want it. Okay, now I'm going to take my thread over it like this, just so that it will be very, very firm. You know, I always talk about durable fascinators. So as I'm going over it, I'm ensuring that I cover my thread up. Please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification button so you will not miss out on my weekly DIY videos that I drop every Wednesday by 3 p.m. Okay, now this is the last step I told you about. I'm gonna be adding this feather. So it means we're using like 2 types of feathers. See where I'm going to add it now. Okay, I'll bring it down to this part so that it stands in like this. Can you see? Do you think you prefer just the first feather, or would you prefer to add this second feather that I just added? Now, to me, I feel this second feather gave it some luxury look, you know, gave it some expensive look, made it look more what's the word? Also, it made it look more beautiful. Yeah, that's what I feel. What do you think? Would you make yours with this feather or without the feather? Do you prefer this second feather that I added? So you can see how I wrapped this part of the first feather that has like a band on it. I wrapped it around this second feather, you know, so that it will give me a neat job. Just watch carefully. Talking about feathers, I have a feather class. Are you part of that class already? If you have not joined, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? You're missing. You learn 7 shapes of feathers. You learn how to make feather fascinators. You learn how to make feather peony. You learn how to mount your feathers. Okay, because you're watching this video now, I can give you some discounts if you reach out. You can reach out through the number showing on your screen right now, and you'll be added to the class. So this is already very fair. Very fair. Can you see? Is this more beautiful than what you saw that we were making? Let me know in the comment section. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is just to cut my thread off and either use an interlining to cover up this place, or you can even use parts of your feathers and just cover this place. Okay, so this is what you can do. I promised to tell you what to do to this frill part, this part of the crinoline. Now there are 3 things you can do. You can decide to apply some glue here neatly, okay, so that it will make it not too frill. Just apply some glue, dab dab dab, and then you still go ahead to color or spray it the same color of your crinoline so that it blends. Or you can decide to burn it slightly. Just burn this part, burn it neatly and slightly, then you also spray or paint same color as your crinoline. Okay, you can also decide to give it another style, another look by gathering this place together. You gather this place with your thread or with your glue, and then you still go ahead to paint so that it gives you a certain kind of shape like your crinoline leaves around here. I hope you understand. Talking about crinoline leaves, I have a crinoline leaves fascinator on this channel. Click the link showing on your screen right now to watch that. So this is what we have. Let me know what you think. Do you prefer this one? I know those that like fascinators that are huge, fascinators that when they enter that event, people will scream. They are the ones that will prefer this one, I know. But those that like very simple fascinator, they would prefer the one without this particular second feather. So let me know what you prefer. Thank you for watching.